Nestled in northeastern India, Meghalaya, meaning abode of clouds, boasts stunning landscapes and a vibrant culture. Carved out from Assam in 1972, it covers about 22,429 square kilometers, bordered by Assam and Bangladesh. Divided into 3 administrative divisions with 12 districts, the Garo Hills has 5, Jaintia Hills has 2, and Khasi Hills has 5 districts. Shillong serves as its capital, once dubbed the Scotland of the East by British authorities. With an estimated population of 38 lakhs, Meghalaya is predominantly tribal. The Khasis, Garos and Jaintias form its major ethnic groups. Meghalaya is home to Cherrapunji and Mawsynram, famed for their record-breaking rainfall. Meghalaya is a paradise of clouds, culture and natural wonders, steeped in history.